In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to a new Google site. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in the browser tab next to your site's title. It looks small, but it does a lot for brand recognition and makes your site feel polished and professional. Before we start, have a square image ready, ideally a simple high-contrast logo or mark. PNG with a transparent background works great, and something around 48 by 48 pixels or larger is perfectly fine as long as it's square. Open your Google site in edit mode, then move your cursor over the page header area until you see the option to add branding. Look for the prompt to add a logo. This is the entry point to your site's brand images. Clicking Add Logo opens the branding panel, which manages both your main site logo and your favicon in one place. Even if you already have a logo set, this is still where you'll access the favicon control. Inside the branding panel, find the favicon section. You'll see an upload option. Click Upload on favicon, then choose your prepared image from your computer. After you select the file, Google Sites will process it and associate it with your site's tab icon. Keep an eye on the preview if it's shown. Clean, simple shapes tend to scale best at small sizes. If your icon contains text or very fine lines, consider using a bolder, simplified version to keep it legible. Once the upload completes, your favicon is set. In many cases, you'll see the change reflected when you preview or view the site, but browsers sometimes cache old icons. If you don't see it right away, try a hard refresh or check in a private browsing window. It can also take a little time to propagate across different browsers. A few quick tips to get the best result. Use a square image to avoid unintended cropping. Keep the background transparent if your design allows it, and ensure strong contrast so it's recognizable at a glance. If you ever need to update it, return to the same branding panel via Add Logo and upload a new file. You can also remove it to revert to the default tab icon if necessary. That's all there is to it. Go to your site and hover to reveal the branding option, click Add Logo to open the Brand Images panel, and then click Upload on favicon to select your icon. With just that, your Google site